Welcome back to Snooze Nebula. Go on, get comfortable, pull the blanket up close, let your shoulders soften, and let your eyes close whenever they would like to. Tonight, there is weather outside, soft rain and drifting cloud and gentle mist, but you are warm and dry and safe, tucked away in here. So tonight, we are going to listen to the rain and wander gently through the quiet wonders of the sky, the clouds and the storms and the snow and the soft gray mist of morning. There is nothing to do but rest and listen. So take one slow breath in and let it go. Let us begin. You know that soft, sweet smell in the air just after it rains? That gentle, earthy scent has a name. It is called Petrichor, and it is one of the loveliest small mysteries in all of nature. When the ground is dry, tiny living things in the soil make a delicate oil and quietly wait. And when the first raindrops fall, they lift that oil up into the air, along with a gentle scent made by little creatures in the earth called geosmin, and our noses are extraordinarily good at catching it. In fact, we can sense that rainy smell even better than a shark can smell blood in the water, noticing just a few small parts in a trillion. It is a very old scent. For millions of years, living things have caught that smell on the breeze and known that the rain and the green and the growing were finally on their way. Look up at a great soft cloud drifting slowly across the sky, and it seems as light as a feather. But here is a gentle surprise. A single fluffy white cloud can weigh as much as 100 elephants. Hundreds of tons of water floating quietly above your head. So how does all that weight simply hang there in the air? Because a cloud is not one heavy thing at all. It is made of countless tiny droplets of water, each one far too small to see, and so light that the gentle rising warmth of the air holds them up and carries them along. They are falling ever so slowly, but so softly and so slowly that they seem to simply float. The whole enormous cloud is really just a soft crowd of tiny drops drifting together through the sky. When a storm rolls by in the distance and you hear that low rolling grumble of thunder, here is what is really happening. A bolt of lightning is astonishingly hot. In a single flash, it can heat the air around it to nearly 30,000 degrees, which is around 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. The air cannot bear such sudden heat, and it bursts outward all at once. And that great sudden push of air is the sound we call thunder. And because light travels so much faster than sound, you always see the flash before you hear the rumble. So if you ever wish to know how far away a storm is, you can simply count slowly after the flash. Every 3 soft seconds is about 1 more kilometer away, and with each gentle count, you can hear the storm drifting further off and softer into the night. When winter comes and the sky grows quiet and white, something almost unbelievable falls gently all around. Every single snowflake is a tiny, perfect crystal of ice with 6 delicate sides. Always 6, because of the quiet way that water freezes. And as each flake drifts down through the clouds, it takes its own winding path through its own changing cold and damp. And so each one grows into its own shape, unlike any other. It is often said that no two snowflakes have ever been exactly alike, countless billions of them falling for millions of years, and each one its own small, unrepeatable design. And they fall softly and silently and settle over everything, wrapping the whole world in a hush and a soft, cold blanket of white. On a still morning, you sometimes wake to find the world wrapped in soft gray mist, and a bank of fog is really nothing but a cloud that has come down from the sky to rest gently on the ground. It forms when the air grows just cool enough that its water turns from invisible vapor into tiny floating drops, a cloud drifting quietly at your feet. And all of that water, in the fog and the rain and the rivers and seas, is very, very old. Water is almost never lost. It rises up into the clouds and falls again as rain and flows down to the sea and rises once more, around and around for billions of years, which means the water in the rain tonight has fallen 1,000 times before. It has been a river and a cloud and a snowflake and the morning dew. The very same water was once drunk by the dinosaurs long ago, and tonight a little of it is here with you. After the rain, when the sun returns, sometimes the sky gives a quiet gift, a rainbow. A rainbow is simply sunlight passing through millions of falling raindrops, each tiny drop bending the light and gently unfolding it into all its soft, hidden colors. And here is something even rarer and lovelier still. On some clear nights, when the moon is bright and full and rain is falling far across the sky, you can see a moonbow, a pale, ghostly rainbow made only of moonlight, glowing softly in the dark. And around the moon itself, on cold and quiet nights, a great gentle ring of light will sometimes appear, a soft halo made by tiny crystals of ice, drifting high above. The sky is full of quiet magic if you only look up. But not tonight. Tonight, you may simply rest. And so, as the rain settles into a soft and steady patter on the roof, let it soothe you. There is a very old comfort in this, to lie somewhere warm and dry and safe, and listen to the gentle weather outside. The soft, even hush of falling rain is one of the most soothing sounds in all the world. A gentle, steady wash of sound that quietly smooths away all the sharper noises of the night and tells some deep and ancient part of you that all is calm and all is well. The storm is passing now, drifting slowly away over the hills. The thunder is only a soft murmur far in the distance, and you are here, wrapped up warm, growing heavier and softer and more still. So let the rain carry you down. There is nowhere to go and nothing to do but rest. So as you drift off now, let the rain keep falling soft and slow somewhere out in the dark. Let it wash the world clean while you sleep. You do not need to listen anymore. You do not need to do anything at all. Just breathe and sink and rest, safe and warm, while the sky tends gently to itself outside. Sleep well, and whenever you are ready, we will watch the weather again. Good night from Snooze Nebula.